Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Now, today we are not talking about space science with Python, we are talking more about space science. And for those of you who are following all my coding videos, don't worry, there will be something coming out end of June. So if you're interested only in the coding part, just skip this video. But if you're one of these guys who would like to understand more about space without really coding skills, don't worry, I may have something for you. Now, I got from the feedback from the community that, of course, my unique selling point is this space science with Python thingy, especially the Python stuff, combining also with machine learning, all the stuff to understand space. And some of you, if you've scrolled down my videos, you know or have seen a few animations of some spacecraft, very simple ones I did with Python. So this is something maybe I would like to continue and put also this in some kind of library also to show you some fancy stuff and also for you to play around with it and learn to create your own stuff. But again, I'm talking about coding. No, I would like to extend the idea here a little bit because all the coding stuff takes a lot of time and you see the end product. Sometimes I'm struggling myself. Sometimes I don't have the time for coding in the evening, especially when I'm coding during the day. So yeah, you get exhausted with it sometimes. But still, I would like to focus more also. I would like to focus on the software part a little bit. So remaining with the coding part, but adding more of the software things that we have in or for space science. And there are a lot of open source tools. I showed them. Also I have some small playlist here as well. But there are also other tools where you can create numerical simulations, like for example, Universe Sandbox. However, this costs some bucks, but it could be interesting. And no, this is not an advertisement. I'm just mentioning here the tools. Or we have Stellarium, which is an open source tool and so on. And all these tools exist, and I think maybe I should extend this channel a little bit with the idea of going more into detail in these different tools. Now we have Python, of course, we will continue with it. For those of you who like coding, we will have projects and also small code snippets and so on for those of you who do not have a lot of time. But I would like also to add some more software component parts here. Software that is either open source or that is may cost a few bucks, but that is not too expensive. And this could, I think, extend the channel a little bit, also motivate more myself a little bit more. Sometimes instead of coding, creating something other educational stuff, which is space or astronomy related, for you to show it. So I think this could be an interesting idea to extend the scope of the channel a little bit. Now, write in the comments what you think about it. And as some of you know, I will not change the topic of space science, don't worry. I will remain with the software part. I think this is something that I am kind of strong in, I think. And of course, this is still a niche, or not. I don't have even 3,000 subscribers over 100 videos, which could also say something about the quality of my videos. But I think it's a very niche topic, and I think, hey, let's extend the niche a little bit and look around in the software domain for astronomy. Well, that's all I wanted to say. I hope you stay tuned, and let's see with what kind of things we will start and continue with some software things. Now I lost some of my words, but you know what? I won't cut it out. This is a one-take video. So I hope you stay tuned. And for those of you who are new on this channel and would like to learn more about the software part, enjoy.